Okay, with the purchase of your FSC, you actually get what we call a laser sightline, and this is beneficial when you've pre-printed something already on a substrate and you just want to trim a little off, and you need a sightline for that blade direction. So I'm just going to go through what you do to calibrate the laser. When I first set up the machine, what I do is I turn the laser on, put a piece of foam board in behind the clamp it in place, and I take my 1/2-inch blade and I just do a thin, not cut all the way through, cut. And you'll actually see when your laser's on, you'll see if your laser is offset. So in this case, it is off. It starts off great, but then it kind of goes off to the left. So what we want to do is we want to calibrate that so it's back into line. So what I do is I keep that material cut in place, and I'm just going to loosen this box of the laser head. Take out these 2 bottom screws. Tilt up the housing, and I just tighten up the top screw so that it just stays in position. And then you'll see inside the laser assembly. Now, when I turn my laser on, again, we want to kind of bring the laser back over this way. And so what I do is I'm going to loosen these 2 Allen screws here. Such. Loosen these 2 hex head screws. That frees up the laser. Now with the laser on, we want to adjust this, and then you'll see that the laser will move. We just want to bring it so that it aligns itself with the original cut there. So now that it's in line, you could tighten up these 2 screws. And just close the housing.